Well, welcome back, everybody. Here we are. It is May 10th here in North Pole, Alaska, and today it's almost 80 degrees. So I still have my chains on my tractor, and I don't got any more snow to plow. So I'm going to take them off today. So you guys stick around. Let me know what you think. So right off the bat, I got to cut all these wires that I wired everything up here. And we'll get that all off of there and go from there. Just like the video when I put them on, I told you that I had never put chains on before. Well, I've never taken chains off before either, so we'll see how this goes. But we'll just do one side here. That way you guys don't have to watch the whole thing. After all, it is just taking chains off. I'm sure some of you have done that before. Probably most of you. I don't know about Hank Hamilton down there. He probably ain't never had chains. I don't know that he ever had a reason for them. So, excuse the noise. It's kind of noisy around here today. But we'll see how this goes. Well, that part seems easy enough. Right there. Now I had that one link that I had to get loose. I think this is it down here. Let's see if I can pop that off of there. Maybe that ain't the right link. I don't know. Let's see what I got here. Oh no, it's up here, I think. No, that ain't it either. Well, that's the one. But I'll loosen up this one here in the back, then you guys will be able to see. All right, stick around here. I gotta cut all these ones off. You know, there's a lot of talk about different ways to do this. As far as putting them on, I've had people say you just drive up on them. I've had other people elevate the wheel, roll them on that way. Me, I just elevated the wheel and spun it around right in my garage. That worked out pretty good. So, get that off of there. Pull that. Of course, you got that little clamp doodle thing. I don't know what it's called. And then I was trying to figure out the best way to store them, and I think I'm just gonna put them in the put them back in the bags and spray them down with some WD-40. I think is what I'll do. Just hope I don't have as much trouble getting them apart as I did getting them on. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, that ain't the one, I don't think. I know, that's the... Take that off, I guess. That'll loosen that up. See, that comes loose easy enough. Put that back in there. probably driving on it. Or I clamp those together. I bet it's on the bottom. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move the tractor forward a little, I think, or backwards. See what I got here now. I know where that clamp is. That can't be it. What did I do with my pliers here? Probably run over them. It seems like stupid dog. I don't know how to get that clamp off. Alright, so I'm back. I had a little trouble getting these clamps off, and I had to pull these little pins out. So I had to just back them out a little bit when I put them on, but now I had to take them completely out to get it broke loose. So here we are. The chains are going to just fall right off now at this point. So I just got to do the other side. And once I get that done, we'll call it good. But I'm not going to let you guys sit here and watch the whole thing. I've got it off, got it done. I think one of the projects I'll be doing here relatively soon is I won a saw haul from Hank Hamilton's 50,000 sub live stream. So I suspect, oh thanks Rosie, I suspect that'll be coming in. And then we'll put that on, and I'll have to get my chainsaw running. The other thing I'll do this summer before it gets too cold is I want to fluid fill these tires and make it even more unstoppable. And we'll see how it goes. But if you like this video, click like, click subscribe, and tell all your friends. See ya.